I understand that you have become whole again. And holy cow, I never expected you to fuse that way. Alright, let's get started. Tonight, once again, I am going to teach you all how to draw Merge Zamasu from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. And, of course, Dragon Ball Super in the process. Of course, Merge Zamasu, otherwise known as Zamasu Fused, is a fusion of Goku Black and Zamasu from the alternate future Trunks is from. And of course, starting off with Zamasu, you start by drawing the Super Saiyan hair and the eyes. Next, we draw the next line of hair. Here's the chiseled six-pack. Now we draw these. Now we draw the sash right here. Then we draw this. Wait, what? That doesn't look right. Zamasu didn't look like that. Let's see. Let's see where we did wrong. I don't get it. He's supposed to look like that. Hang on a minute, I was looking at unrealetgaming. My bad. Now I get what we're drawing now. Tonight we're drawing Zamasu. We're gonna draw what Zamasu and Goku Black look like fused after they do the fusion dance. I never expected they'd do the fusion dance. I don't even know if they even heard of the fusion dance. Did Goten and Trunks teach them? Did they use it on their Zero Mortal Gambit or something? Or is it just to drive others insane? I mean, you've seen what they looked like combined. Just imagine what they would look like if they combined with Bio Brawly. Yeah, I know. Black, right? How weird would it be if Zamasu and Black fused during if they did the fusion dance? It's just like if they ever fused to fight Gogeta. Alright, now here's the black time ring. Yeah, I don't know if the time ring is black ever since the Rising Fist showed up. One of the most powerful rivals obtaining the black time ring. I feel like he might fuse with Zamasu again. It's just a feeling. He might obtain that power from the gods. Here's his fingers. There. Wow, he looks a lot like Gogeta. Well, not momentarily, at least. I never would have thought that they do the fusion dance. But, at least we learned something today. Never judge a fusion by its looks. Anyhow, that's how you draw, fusion dance zamasu. Let me know what new fusion you want me to draw next soon. Good night.